Vijay proud of Vishal and his actions. Ilayathalapati Vijay, who is happy with the success of his latest release, Kathi, has one more reason to be happy. Actor Vishal, whose film Pooja also hit the screens for Diwali along with Kathi, seems to have impressed Vijay with his actions on piracy. The young actor had recently busted 2 VCD selling shops that had pirated CDs of Kathi and Pooja. Congratulating Vishal on doing his bit to curb the piracy issue, Vijay tweeted, "Proud of you, Vishal. You have proved that actions speak more louder than words. Let's stop video piracy." Vishal answered on his Vishal Film Factory Twitter account, "Dear Vijay, thank you so much for your support. It will make a huge difference. Let's stop piracy."
எல்லாரும் நீங்க என்ன விரும்புறதா சொல்றாங்க. ஆனா உங்க மனசுல என்ன இருக்குன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. நீங்க என்ன விரும்புறதா இருந்தா இந்த பூவை வச்சுக்கோங்க.
எங்க?
That's your problem.